What's going on, guys? Tony Crypto here hanging out with you today. And if you're looking and researching on basically creating a Bitcoin mining rig and mining Bitcoin and getting an ASIC miner and doing all of that, you may want to reconsider. With the price of Bitcoin drastically dropping over the past few months, it's really not that profitable anymore. If we take a look at Cointelegraph, check this out. Bitcoin miner profitability under threat as hash rate hits new all-time high. Okay, if we take a look at this little article here, this is actually the Bitcoin mining calculator. But if we take a look at this one, the combination of rising energy prices and falling cryptocurrency prices have made it much more difficult to turning a profit with crypto. Bitcoin prices have been volatile, and they're talking about it sank to its low level of 17.7 in June, but now trading at 23. This is an old article. If we take a look at Bitcoin now, what are we at? 16.6. It hit 15.8 earlier today, and then it kind of bounced a little bit. Bitcoin is not looking good. From all the research that we are doing, especially, if you guys are following the Hex ecosystem, you're probably not, but you may want to check out Hex Coin, guys. If you're looking into Bitcoin mining and you want to turn a profit with Bitcoin, check out Hex. But I want to show you something better. Okay, what is better than mining Bitcoin? Okay, you need to check out Pulsebitcoin.com. Okay, it's the future of Bitcoin. I'm going to be posting all the links down below in this video. This is super important. This is huge, guys. If you're thinking of setting up a Bitcoin mining rig, you probably want to reconsider, right? Check out pulsebitcoin.com. I'm going to have the Twitter of the founder down below. Go to all these sites, okay? He also created pulsedogecoin.com right over here. And the only way to mine Pulse Bitcoin right now is if you basically buy Pulse Dogecoin. You can get this coin on Uniswap or Matcha.xyz. Okay, you're going to have to swap it out. And guys, this is true DeFi. Okay, with all the things going on with the FTX freaking exploding and crashing, Sam Bankman-Fried is hopefully he really gets fried. But crazy things going on. I don't want to make this a 20-minute video, but check out Pulse Dogecoin. Okay, the ecosystem is flawless. You get Pulse Dogecoin, you can transform it into an ASIC coin by going to the Pulse Bitcoin app. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to connect for you quick just to show you what the inside looks like. Hold on, wrong password. Well, let's not even show that part. Anyway, I will make a follow-up video on this, but seriously, guys, check out Pulse Bitcoin. The guy's information is Hex Info. Okay, he's the creator of Pulse Dogecoin. It's the scarcest meme coin on planet Earth. With this Pulse Dogecoin, you can convert it to an ASIC token, which then mines Pulse Bitcoin, which is the better Bitcoin. And in the future, we're going to be able to also mine Pulse Litecoin. It's an amazing ecosystem. I highly urge you to check this out. Don't disregard it, and don't say I didn't tell you, because I'm here telling you right freaking now. Check this ecosystem out. It's Tony Crypto here hanging out with you tonight. Check it out. And actually, I would actually get some Pulse Dogecoin now, because it is a lot cheaper. Let's see. CoinGecko. Let's just check out the price of PLS. So the coin you want to get is PLSD, Pulse Dogecoin. This coin alone is going to probably hit 25 to 50 bucks. Kid you not. If we take a look at 180 days. It launched in April at around $1. 1 year. It launched at $1, okay, back in 4/20, April 20th. Pretty much almost hit $10, and then now we're down here. This is going to be huge. Pulse Dogecoin is the coin you want to get. You're going to be able to get it on Uniswap, swap it out for ASIC coin, and then you're going to be able to basically mine Pulse Bitcoin with it. And this coin there's no price of Pulse Bitcoin yet. This is going to be crazy, guys. Check it out. I'll be making more videos on this shortly. I just wanted to put this out there. If you're looking to mine or get into mining Bitcoin, think again. Check this ecosystem out. All the links will be down below. The official Twitter link for Hex Info and also Pulse Bitcoin. And the websites and everything down below. Check it out. Thank me later. Comment down below if you have any questions or comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great evening. Tony Crypto here hanging out. Peace.